Types of animals. All the animals can be divided into three groups on the basis of their food habits: herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous. As we have already discussed that the animals which eat only plants are called herbivorous. They may eat grasses, leaves, grains, fruits, or the bark of trees. Examples: goat, cow, buffalo, sheep, deer, camel, ass, ox, elephant, monkey, squirrel, rabbit, grasshopper, and hippopotamus. Similarly, those animals which eat only other animals as food are called carnivorous. Examples: lion, tiger, frog, vulture, kingfisher, lizard, wolf, snake, and hawk. Other than that, those animals which eat both plants and animals are known as omnivorous. Examples: man, dog, crow, sparrow, bear, myna, and ant.